Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Trump downplays outbreak as sniffles and burning embers. http ntvforex.com News ID EB9004. 7/19/2020 10:47:46 p.m. COVID new cases have set 9 records in the past month, but President Trump downplayed the outbreak. On Fox News, Trump calls some flare UPS burning embers despite record cases and hospital beds filling up in California, Texas, Arizona, and Florida. In an interview on Fox News that aired Sunday, Mr. Trump said many recent cases involve young people. They have the sniffles and we put it down as a test, he said. Mr. Trump said some flare-ups of new cases were like burning embers and flames that need to be put out. We have embers and we do have flames. Florida became more flame-like, he said, adding, it's going to be under control. While more testing does result in more cases, Dr. Fauci said in a June 16 interview that higher percentages of positive tests in many states cannot be explained by increased testing. The percent of positive tests on a 7-day average has swelled from about 4.4% in mid-June to almost 9% as of mid-July, according to Johns Hopkins University. Daily new deaths and cases. Deaths vs. cases. Daily deaths peaked on April 24 at 2,254 per day. The number of cases peaked 11 days earlier at 32,464 cases per day. Deaths are trending up again, and also with a lag. The lags make sense. People do not immediately die. Rather they get sick, then very sick, then go to the hospital, then die. The July lag is unlikely to match the lag in April because different states and age groups are involved. Reduced death rate factors. Hospitals have worked out better treatment methods. Increasingly younger people are catching COVID. Patients stranded in emergency rooms as hospitals fill up. The problem with downplaying the reduced death rate is hospital beds are filling up even if people do not end up dying. Note that patients stranded in emergency rooms as hospitals fill up. To contain the outbreaks, even Republican governors have walked back reopenings. Everybody is struggling. Loan loss provisions at banks suggest everybody is struggling. 32 million people collecting unemployment benefits. As noted last Thursday, all continued unemployment claims top 32 million again. Most of those people are on economic life support as Congress weighs extending benefits this week. Find something new. Trump's daughter, Ivanka, says find something new. To suggest that 32 million people can find something new is ridiculous. For discussion, please see Trump's payroll tax cut and the arrogance of find something new. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.